it out loud. It's my life, it's now or never. But I ain't gonna live forever. I just want to live my life alive. It's my life, my heart is like an open highway. Like Frankie said,